Zdraví vás, hej, môj ďalší videa, dáj pani, dneska je to tretia a posledná epizóda z Indigo Park. Dúfam, že si ju užijete a ideme na to. Sme späť, kde sme skončili v Indigo Park a je to divné. Toto sa točí, OK. Hviezdička. Počkaj, to je takto, že taký jak... Čo nám to otvorí? Aha. To šriti. Dúfam, že nás tu nebude naháňať ten vták, alebo tá vtačica, lepšie povedať. Je to Molly. Volá sa Molly. Jop, kámo, to je jak FNAF, to ten Moon and Night, či jak sa volali. Viete, čo myslím? Môj bože, to plná kopítka FNAF. No nič, to nevadí. Panečku môj. Ja pri týchto hororovkách prisahám, že dostaneme, čo? OK, je tu žltý kruh. OK. Zapamätáme si to, žltý kruh. OK. Červená hviezda. To je trampolína, ty vole. OK. Neviem prečo, ale nemám dobrý pocit, aké by nám niekto teraz bude naháňať. OK, tu môžeme skočiť späť. Ale my ideme ďalej. OK, trojuholník, žltý kruh, hviezda červená, ešte. Áno, hviezda červená a zelený trojuholník. Dobre, zapamätal som si to tak celkom. A modrá hviezdička ďalšia, OK. Takže dve hviezdičky. Jo, pusto začína. Takže... Červená hviezdička. Žltý kruh, modrá hviezdička, žltý kruh a trojuholník, to máme. Dúfam, že na mňa nevyskočí žiadna Molly, haha, chápete tomu vtipu? Či nie? No OK, to nevadí. Je to dosť černý humor. To nevadí. Ideme tam, alebo nejdeme? Jasne, že musíme tam ísť aj tak. OK. Ideme na to. Kamo. OK. Otvorili sa nám tu dvere. Neviem prečo nemám dobrý pocit. Aha. To je naháňačka? Počkaj, kde mám ísť? Nie. Aha. To som celkom nevychytol. Myslel som, že práva vždy bude tá pravá, než tá ľavá, chápeš? Pravá je vždy tá pravá. Molly can't rest... Jasne. OK. Kamu? Prečo tá kamera trošku tak kliká? Prepáčte. OK, tak ideme znova. Ale teraz normálne speedrun, speed. Teda Dream, nechám vám tu teraz pestičku Dreamovú, tie vole. OK. Bežíme! Još! Počkej, aha. Teraz som trošku zabudol. OK. I show speed, kámo, ide tu. Aha, počkaj, on nás naháňa. OK, Nemali sme ísť náhodou tam sura? Dúfam, že nie. Skoč, ty vole, bež! Kamo? Zatiaľ som ani jednýkrát neumrel. Kamo? To je taká hnus. Kde mám? Kamo, to nebolo trampolína. Mám ísť tu alebo na druhú stranu? Až tu, čo? Ok, nás tu náňa. Počkej, kde mám skočiť tu? Ok. Neviem prečo mi tak kliká tá hnusne tá kamera. Nevadí, bežíme. Komu som sa vrátil, nie? No teď nevadí. Sme vo vente. Počkaj, vo vente nás naháňa. Kámo. Papagaj nám nedá pokoj. Zdravím ťa. Otvor mi. Otvor. Kámo, otvor. Ó môj Bože.
Welcome to the Ramblers Wranglers.
Kámo.
Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park is doing too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Yeah.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Come on.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler registered security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. But Rambley's Wranglers registered is a registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Komu to je hnus, ty vole. Komu tak teraz, keď na mňa niečo nevyskočí, tak buď mám šťastie ako hovno, alebo nechápem.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
A nie som dospelý chlap, alebo ja neviem vlastne ani za koho hrajem, či za chlapca, za dievča, alebo za dospelého, asi dospelého chlapa, jak vidím podľa tých rúk a podľa tej výšky. Kámo, to nie je FNAF, dúfam, že tu nebude nič také, lebo keď vidím tieto kamery, to ma to hnusí, ty vole. Prosím, kámo, nie, prosím. Bože môj, to sú úplne tie také rovnaké chodby, jak vo FNAFku, jak tam bol ten Monty, myslím. A proste, jak ťa tam mali chytiť, proste, jak FNAF klasika, proste zatváranie dverí, otváranie dverí, aby sa ti nevybila proste batéria. Ja som zabudol, že my tu zbierame vlastne tieto veci.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite! Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
Okay.
Hey, Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found, or was it in the trash? No surprise a guest at our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
Videl som tam ešte nejakú masku a ďalšie také veci, ale tie som aj nezobral kvôli tomu ranu. Nie. Počkaj, tu nebude, dúfam, že ten veľký vodnatý had. Ocean on shit.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Tu bude niekde teda, to niekde.
You'll find a poker and porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. Never really know what lies beneath the surface.
Jop, kamo! Počkať.
Hey, buddy. You okay?
To je koniec?
I'm kinda tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for
Nasleduje to
taking a
len
rest
chapter
after all
1,
that.
ale...
I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
Aha, to je
If you've got
koniec.
some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I
Dobra pieseň.
assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist.
Let's try it.
Were you satisfied with the rides?
Yes or no?
Were you satisfied with your guide?
Sure hope so.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime, I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
OK. Skvelá hra. Na chapter 1 Počkaj, čo? Prečo idem mu znova? OK, dáme pani, dohrali sme chapter 1 Indigo Park. Určite, čo vieme, že ten vodný hád na konci, čo bol, tak ten nás bude naháňať. Nechápem ako, keď je vodný. Chápete, čo myslím? Hád vo vode. Nechápem ako možno nejako dostane nohy nejaké, čo ja viem. Uvidíme, čo sa stane. No nič, dámy pani, je to smutné, ale je koniec chapter 1 a dúfam, že uvidíme sa aj u chapter 2, dúfam, že aj 3 bude. A zatiaľ uvidíme sa nejakého ďalšieho videa, zatiaľ čau.
See you when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her